Here we go. We have a question, implement A to I. So you have given a string. The objective is to convert it into integer format without utilizing any inbuilt function. And we can refer the below steps to perform A to I function. So the different type of cases we have. First of all, we need to skip if there is any leading zeros. Then we need to check for sign, positive or negative. Default behavior is positive. Then we need to read the integer by ignoring any leading zeros until a non-digit character is encountered or we are at the end. If no digit are present, then just return 0. If the integer is greater than this number, then return the greatest number. If the integer is smaller than this number, then just return the minimum value or the smallest number. So in this case, we have a valid number, we just need to return this. Then we need to first ignore the spaces, then check for symbol. This is negative. After that, we don't have any number, any digit. So just return 0. In this case, the number is too big. So we need to just return the upper bound. So we have this answer. And in this case, we have this number. This is negative out of bound. So just return the negative maximum value. Then we have this number. In this case, just ignore the spaces. Take the negative symbol. Ignore zeros. Then take the numbers. After that, we have characters. So just ignore the characters after that. And we have number this. So let's do it step by step. First, we need to skip any leading zeros. Before that, we have some variables. One is this, then is this. So I will call it maximum and minimum. So we have first of all I n maximum value. This is 2 raised to power 31 minus 1 as it is given here. Then minimum value 2 raised to power 31. Then number for answer. A boolean for positive or negative. Then we just need to ignore the spaces. So this is our first step, ignore the leading white space. After that, we have to check for symbol. If there's negative symbol or a positive symbol. So if there's a negative symbol, change your boolean and move to next index. If the character is positive, means plus, so just move to next index. After that, just ignore the leading zeros. So if we have any leading zeros, so just move ahead. And if we are at the last index, just return 0. Now here comes the important thing. So let's implement this. So I have taken this test case. In this test case, let's suppose we have some leading zeros also. So my I is here. So I will move ahead. Still 0. Still white space. I will move ahead. White space. I will move ahead. White space. Then we have negative. So what I will do is I will change my positive to false. Means the number is no more positive. And I will move ahead. Answer is initially 0. Is this a character? Is this a number? Yes, this is a number. So just add this number here. In string we add, but if we do the same process in number, it will just add, but we need to concatenate in number. So just multiply with 10 to make some space for new number, then add a number. We got 1. Then move ahead. Is this a number? Yes, we are not out of bound and this is a number. So 1 cross 10 plus 2, which is 12. Then we have this. So we got 12 multiply 10 plus current number is 1. So we got 121. 121. So let me erase the unnecessary things. And we got 121. We have integer. This data type is integer. Next we have 3. So just multiply with 10 plus 3. We got 1213. But if let's suppose we are at this index and till now just assume we are under the limit. So we have this number and it is under the limit 4 5 6, then 4 times 7. Then if I include this number, if I add this number here, if I multiply this number, we goes out of bound. So we need to first check. This is a integer and if I multiply it will just convert into negative symbol. So we don't want this. We need to first check before adding a new number. So what I will do is I will uh, I will say first we have long. This will be a new number which is answer is integer plus we will multiply 10 with long. So it will make a space. We got this as long. This is no more integer, this is long. Then I will add my current number. So this is temp, or you can say current. So if I add a new number and it goes out of bound, it goes more than, it is now more than my maximum range. If this is if this number is more than my maximum range, we need to return maximum. But we need to also check first of all, if our positive is false. If our positive is false, so I will do this. If our positive is false, I will change the symbol. The negative number is no more, the new number is no more positive, the new number is now negative, new number is negative. So if we have a check, if my new number is greater than maximum, so just return maximum. If new number is less than minimum, because we also have a sign, if this is less than my minimum range, just return your minimum. So this is the check that we need to do. After that we are pretty safe, and we can easily change our answer to answer cross 10 plus current value. So that's how this approach will work. We just have to check before converting it to before considering a new character. So let's continue the coding part. If we are under the range and current character is a digit, so either you can do this, or you can check if s dot ith character is greater than or equal to 0 and s dot ith character is less than or equal to 9. So one way to check if this is a digit. So another way is to just write AND condition. Then we are inside the while block. We need to check, we need to consider the current character. So just eliminate, just remove 0. Then we got our current character as a integer. Then we have check if new number will be out of bound, means current multiply 10 plus current, answer multiply 10 plus current. Then if positive is not there, then the overall number is negative, so just convert it to negative. Then if this new number will be greater than maximum, just return maximum. If the new number is less than minimum, return minimum. After that we can safely convert our answer, safely change our answer. After updating our answer at the end, yeah, we missed this step, just move to next index. After that just return your answer. If our boolean is positive, if boolean is negative, just mark with negative symbol. So let's give it a try, and let's talk about time and space complexity. It is pretty clear. The time complexity is order of n. Space complexity, we are not using any space, so it is constant, order of 1. Code is given in the description box, and if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.